Hi, and welcome to today's June 6th stimulus package update. Hey, if you're a subscribed member of my community, welcome back. I'm glad to be back with you. If you're not, subscribe right now so I can keep you updated and share other smart money tips. Okay, now, Senior White House advisor Ken Hassett said during an interview Saturday morning today that there will definitely be another stimulus package. He used the word definitely. While this is good news, we don't have any details on what he means when he says stimulus. So although definitely is definitely a good word, what does stimulus money mean? That's where we need a little bit more clarification. While this is good news, yesterday I said the same thing. President Trump came out in an interview in the Rose Garden and said that they want certain things, and one of those was more stimulus. But again, I don't want to give anybody false hope. We just need to know what they mean by stimulus. But again, I take this as very, very good news, right? Having multiple sources from the White House say that there will be more stimulus, to me, signals that things are looking up. I just wish that they would move faster. Larry Kudlow of the White House said later in the day, today, that a vote on stimulus would most likely not happen until after July 4th. So it's looking like, yes, there's going to be stimulus. We won't know when or the final details until July. So that's disheartening. Okay, if you found this update helpful, will you give this a like so that YouTube will share it with others? And also, please share this on Facebook and on Twitter, as people will definitely want to know that the White House has said there will definitely be more money. Okay, now, did you know that today is the 76th anniversary of D-Day, when American troops fought alongside allies as they stormed the beaches of Normandy in France? This day ended up being one of the turning points in the World War, right? So this was a huge day, and my hat is off to those soldiers who gave their life on that beach that day so that we could have our freedoms and ultimately end the war. Just such a cool thing that I definitely wanted to point that out, as today is the anniversary. Okay, the IRS has publicly stated that it is very far behind on tax returns and tax refunds, with efforts being solely focused on getting stimulus money to 159 million Americans. They are now shifting their focus back to tax returns and tax refunds. I know many of you count on that annual tax refund. It is coming, but it is going to be delayed so that they could get stimulus money out. Okay, now yesterday I asked my community to tell us if you were able to reach the IRS, how you were able to do that. So thank you for the hundreds and hundreds of responses. The phone number that I have been sharing is the correct number, so that makes me feel good, but I want to give you a little bit more information. As I read through the hundreds and hundreds of comments, the common denominator that I saw was that most people called before noon to that number. Now, if you've been calling late in the afternoon, you may have been caught in these loops or been on hold not knowing that IRS agents have gone home for the day and you've been stuck in this toxic loop, right? So call before noon and you have a greater chance of getting through. Somebody said they called at like 8 in the morning and they got through in 10 minutes. So that phone number again is 800-919-9835. I hope that helps you. Okay, I've been asked several times in the past 24 hours if I saw the other YouTubers who were aggressively using clickbait yesterday. Yes, I did. I don't know what else to say. I've alerted YouTube to it. YouTube channel Logan Alec called them out by name. I think it's despicable to trick people. I don't know why you would want to trick your YouTube community. These people come to you. You're a source of truth and information, and you betray that truth. So I hope that you all feel that you're getting good information here from me. That's what I want to bring to my channel. Okay, now as I sign off, remember to breathe. Very important to breathe, and also to remember that you are amazing. If you're not a member of my community, please join. I'm sure at this point YouTube has put, probably right here, a circle picture. If you click on that, it's the fastest and easiest way to subscribe to my channel for free. Hey, I just want to say thank you to all my community members and wish you a happy weekend, and I'll see you on the next video.